Hi, my name is Elena, a dietitian with Providence's Diabetes Educator Team. We know that a diabetes diagnosis feels overwhelming, but understanding how lifestyle changes can positively affect your diabetes is important. So, balancing your meals and staying active are two of the most important steps you can take to manage your diabetes. Start by focusing on what you eat. The plate method is a simple and effective way to create balanced meals. Here's how it works. First, fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, bell peppers, or cauliflower. These vegetables are low in calories and carbs, making them great for managing blood sugar levels. Next, fill a quarter of your plate with lean protein, such as grilled chicken, tofu, fish, or eggs. Protein helps keep you feeling full and supports muscle health. Now, fill the last quarter of your plate with complex carbohydrates like whole grains, sweet potatoes, beans, or lentils. These carbs release energy slowly and help keep your blood sugar stable throughout the day. Don't forget to add a small serving of healthy fats such as avocado, olive oil, or a handful of nuts. Lastly, make sure you drink water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee, and avoid sugary drinks that can cause your blood sugar to spike. But diet is just one part of the equation. Staying active is also important. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This could be as simple as walking, swimming, or even dancing. Exercise helps your body use insulin more effectively and keeps your blood sugar levels stable. With a balanced eating plan and regular activity, you'll not only control your blood sugar, but also improve your overall health. You'll have more energy, feel better, and reduce your risk of complications. We know this information can be a lot to absorb, but remember, you don't have to do it alone. We're here to support you every step of the way. If you are interested in working with a dietitian at Providence to learn more about how to manage your diabetes, make healthy nutrition changes, and how exercise and medications can help manage your blood sugar, let your primary care provider know. They can send a referral to the Diabetes and Nutrition Education Team. We have dietitians who specialize in diabetes in Providence Family Medicine clinics all over the region to accommodate you.